Hello everyone, this is Geoff DePaula. I just wanted to give you this short video and first of all wanted to say thank you for participating. Thank you for uploading your baseline eye vision test to us. If you're getting this video, you're officially participating in this vision healing and improvement program. And wanted to make this quick video to make sure that you were getting access to the audio on our new web app. So this is a web application, i.e. a website, not an app in the App Store. So you go to app.mirsonics.com and we'll give you the link in the email and you should be able to get access to this. Once you get in there, if you have not already, some of you figured it out and others didn't get the email because we were having a little bit of issue with our email getting out properly, or some people are getting too many emails. So I think we have that fixed now. But what you'll need to do is go to here to sign up, and you will enter your email password, and then you'll click confirm, and then it will send you an email to confirm, and then you'll need to go to your email address and confirm that you're a real person and click on your email, and then you will fill out this personal information. So first name, middle name, last name, date of birth. When you click on the birthday field to change your birthday, make sure that you click on the actual number of the year, and that will pull down this list. Some people were saying, oh, I can't change the year, and they were trying to click these arrows. Maybe we need to tweak the user interface a little bit and make it a little more intuitive, but you can do this. You touch the years pop up, you scroll through, pick your year, same thing with the month, and then once you do that, that month of the year and month you were born will show up, and then you just touch the day. And then click Save Changes. You do want to put in this information. Your first name, last name. Some people are just putting in their initials. We need you to put in your full name because this is partly how this software makes it personalized to you. So I've actually done tests where we've tested something and then we've added, for example, the person's middle name, and then we test it again and it actually works better. So please do fill this out. It is important, and then click Save Changes. And then you will see these questions. Help us personalize your experience. This essentially is a sensitivity screening process, right? We want to know if you're what we call regular sensitivity or if you're high sensitivity, meaning are you really sensitive to energies and things like that. You can read this, it gives you a little sense, but essentially these questions give us a sense of as to how sensitive you are. What I will tell you is, if this last question, if you say you're highly sensitive and you click yes, this will put you into a highly sensitive category, and therefore it will limit the amount of time that you're able to listen to audios in a 24-hour period. For the eye audio, it's totally fine if people want to listen to it longer because it is promoting a positive as opposed to some of the other audios which are about releasing trauma or, trying to unpack chronic Lyme disease and co-infections. Those ones, the reason I put this in here is because people can overdose on those, and especially people who are highly sensitive, and so I want people to not do that. So once you do that, and once you click these questions, you can click confirm. We can always change this later. If you want to, you can email us at support@mirsonics.com with any questions. Once you do this, it will not change. I can go in and, on the admin side, and change it for you, but please answer those questions honestly. Then it will ask you if you want notifications. So if you're the type of person that needs a little reminder once a day, we can send you reminders via text message. We'll send you one per day, not a bajillion, and you can decide what time it is. So you would click allow notifications here. This is all just in the setup process. And then when it says allow SMS, you would click this orange button on, and then you can say how often you want it. It could be once a day, once a week, once a month, and then you can decide what time it is based on your time zone and also the email notifications. Okay? I would recommend you turn this on because we are going to be emailing people about reminding them each month, okay, it's time to do your month 1 eye test reevaluation, month 2, etc. Okay? And then once you get into, once you log in, you're going to go to, there's navigation down here, home, explore, and my profile. You're going to click this. This is the one, fully restore and revitalize aspects of the eyes. That's the eye program, okay? And you will see a button here that says start session. You won't see any consistency and improvement if you're just starting because this is happens after you start listening to it. And then you can watch the instructional video about how to do your eye test here. It's in this button. Okay. If you haven't already watched, you've all seen this because you've all taken the eye test at this point. And then this progress button is for this particular program. It's not going to be as important because I'm not asking you to upload your eye information inside this web app. That was a little too complicated to figure that out, believe it or not. So we're doing it kind of manually, right, through that other form that you already used. But this will allow you to track your consistency, meaning are you doing it every day? We recommend people do it 10 minutes a day at least. If you want to do it more, that's fine. And then we'll also track your time. Some people were saying they were having a little issue with the app and the time tracking. We are again working on that. It was working and now for some reason it's went haywire. But you can track your progress in here. You can always go back to this little I button here to learn about the graphs and the charts. But essentially, if you listen, it will give you a green. If you miss, it will give you an orange, and then it should average the amount of days you're listening and time. And then it will give you the week, month, and year of the listening time of how much you've listened. And then to start listening, you click this button right here. And that's where you'll see the personalization. You'll see the audio here. Your personalized information will be here. This is the play button. It's a 10-minute file. If you are not high sensitivity, you will be able to click this loop button and it will just keep going and going and going until you turn it off. Okay? If you have high sensitivity, you'll only be able to listen to it once. Okay? And we recommend you do it every day. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, email us at support@mirsonics.com. Thank you so much for participating. And it is a cumulative and corrective process. So, you know, I wouldn't expect you to have eagle eyes overnight, but it is a 6-month program. And we're going to be tracking people's improvements. And then we'll be sharing that data, anonymized. We'll be sharing that data with all of you that participated. All right? Very good. I look forward to seeing you inside.